I spend my whole life in a wheelchair. I spend my whole life in a wheelchair. I work with a personal trainer. I work with a personal trainer. I often feel dizzy in the morning. I often feel dizzy in the morning. I can't fasten the button on my pants. I can't fasten the button on my pants. Please don't add sugar to my tea anymore. Please don't add sugar to my tea anymore. I usually stay lazy on Sundays. I usually stay lazy on Sundays. I enjoy eating cake. I enjoy eating cake. I like eating donuts sometimes. I like eating donuts sometimes. I watch 3D movies at the cinema. I watch 3D movies at the cinema. I keep a diary and write in it every day. I keep a diary and write in it every day. I sell candy at school. I sell candy at school. I often bake fresh cookies at home. I often bake fresh cookies at home. I'm really good at using knives. I'm really good at using knives. This ring looks so sparkly. This ring looks so sparkly. Please stay quiet for a moment. Please stay quiet for a moment. I'm feeding my baby with a bottle. I'm feeding my baby with a bottle. I really like cheeseburgers. I really like cheeseburgers. I'm unpacking the vegetables. I'm unpacking the vegetables. I need some painkillers right now. I need some painkillers right now. Do you want to eat ice cream with me? Do you want to eat ice cream with me? She's a biologist. She's a biologist. We're singing karaoke tonight. We're singing karaoke tonight. I just got a big present. I just got a big present. We're on vacation now. We're on vacation now. Let's go to the sauna. Let's go to the sauna. These glasses are too blurry. These glasses are too blurry. I can only eat one green apple. I can only eat one green apple. I have a lot of paperwork to deal with. I have a lot of paperwork to deal with. I hit my head against the wall while thinking. I hit my head against the wall while thinking. I don't feel like eating. I don't feel like eating. I'm forgetting things too often. I'm forgetting things too often. My throat really hurts. My throat really hurts. She's wearing a hearing aid. She's wearing a hearing aid. My wallet is empty. My wallet is empty. Oops, that was my mistake. Oops, that was my mistake. My thoughts are all over the place. My thoughts are all over the place. I've got a terrible headache. I've got a terrible headache. I need to quit stimulants. I need to quit stimulants. Comments on social media really get to me. Comments on social media really get to me. I'm taking a selfie with my best friend. I'm taking a selfie with my best friend. My kid doesn't want to go to school. My kid doesn't want to go to school. We already broke up. We already broke up. She works as a flight attendant. She works as a flight attendant. I'm going to sleep hugging my money. I'm going to sleep hugging my money. Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. These new glasses look good on me, right? These new glasses look good on me, right? I got a huge deal on toilet paper. I got a huge deal on toilet paper. I'm listening to music. I'm listening to music. I just read a letter from my boyfriend. I just read a letter from my boyfriend. I'm shopping for clothes online. I'm shopping for clothes online. I work as a newspaper delivery person. I work as a newspaper delivery person. She fell asleep on the chair. She fell asleep on the chair. She is hanging upside down from the ceiling. She is hanging upside down from the ceiling. Put the flower vase right here. Put the flower vase right here. I'm dressing up for Halloween. I'm dressing up for Halloween. These blankets are so soft and they smell good. These blankets are so soft and they smell good. I already have a bank card. I already have a bank card. My teeth hurt when I drink something cold. My teeth hurt when I drink something cold. I'm hanging on the disco ball. I'm hanging on the disco ball. We're moving into a bigger house. We're moving into a bigger house. I have pain in my liver. I have pain in my liver. I'm lost in thought. I'm lost in thought. I'm losing a lot of hair. I'm losing a lot of hair. The bill is way too long. The bill is way too long.